Height adjustment doesn't work.
What specific tool or machine does this involve?
Simplicity Legacy XL 2008.
How long has this been going on with your Simplicity? What have you tried so far?
Just started, haven't tried much.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not really, engine runs great, just replaced 2 coils.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines, let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. What is the long model number? I look up Legacy XL and come up with a diesel tractor T equals with hydraulic lift, and no deck. Is it the deck height adjustment that is not working or the 3-pointer on a tractor? I see the question is still open.
Curtis, CH740S serial no is ### mower deck height adjustment not working.
That is the Kohler engine numbers. Do you have a deck number or the long model number for the tractor?
Curtis, the model number on the deck is ###, the serial number on the deck is ###. Curtis, I need a solution as soon as possible, please help. Thanks, Fred.
https://www.partstree.com/model/1695059 Simplicity 60 mower deck /60 mower deck height adjustment roller group 2 / electric lift control? Is the drive motor for the lift getting voltage? Is the motor trying to turn? Linkage and screw may be binding. Remove the motor from the screw and see if the motor runs. If the motor runs, try turning the screw with a pipe wrench.
Can you send me a diagram of the motor, linkage and screw you are talking about?
I did. Let me copy the link again for you. https://www.partstree.com/model/1695059 Simplicity 60 mower deck /60 mower deck height adjustment roller group 2 /
What part numbers on this schematic drawing would be the linkage and screw you are talking about?
Number 2 is the electric motor, number 13 is the screw that twists to raise and lower the deck.
With the pipe wrench, try to turn the screw. In what direction? Toward the outside or towards the inside of mower, up or down?
Either way, one way raises, one way lowers. Will it turn?
I'm going to try it. Need a pipe wrench. Thanks.
Okay.
It's hard to get a good grip with the pipe wrench on the screw. When I do, I can't move it. What about trying to loosen the nuts that are on the screw? There are 2 inside the bracket and then 2 together outside the bracket on the exposed end of the screw. I've put PB plaster on the screw to try to free it up. Any other tricks or suggestions? How do I get at it to remove the mower from the screw? Do I take the deck off? I have a mower lift and also Rhino lifts if that helps.
Deck needs to be off, so you can get to it.
Okay, once I get to it, then what?
Check the motor for voltage, then see if the shaft will turn.
Hi Curtis, I got the deck off. Looking at the mower height deck motor and the linkage to it, it looks like there is a kink in the shaft with a large brass nut on it. Please see the attached photos. Should I try to bang it back to straight with a small sledgehammer?
It's worth a try, but it will likely have to be removed to do it. But it has to be in alignment with the motor, or it will not work.
How do I remove it? Is the brass nut the one you were asking me to try to turn with the pipe wrench? Is there a way to lower the deck manually?
The main shaft with the treads was what was to be turned. You will need to remove the shaft on the end opposite the motor.
Does the brass nut look out of alignment to you? Wouldn't you think this is the problem? How do I dismantle this apparatus to line the mower up with the nut and shaft again? Line the motor up, I mean.
Yes, it is not in alignment. You need to pull the pin on the right end of your picture showing the shaft.
Okay, thanks. I'll give it a try.
Okay.
Curtis, I removed the screw assembly. Good news, the motor works fine, has power, turns the screw. I put it back together and it works a little and then binds. It looks like the screw is a bit bent. Please look at the attached photo. What do you think? Is the screw bent? What would you do now? I'm at the point where I've lost so much time and money, days, I just want to set it medium high and forget about it. Is there a way to set height manually?
Probably needs a new shaft. To move the deck height manually, you would have to turn the shaft with a wrench.
How do I get a new shaft?
17245524 SM Order the new rod. Number 13 of the parts list. Google it for multiple sources.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.